The mitral valve's acoustics. The mitral valve is located between the left atrium and left ventricle, placing it directly beneath the apex of the heart. Sound transmission of the mitral valve. First, valve closure. The closing of the mitral valve generates the first heart sound, S1. Second, sound propagation. The sound waves from S1 are transmitted most directly to the apex. Lastly, auscultation. The apex provides the optimal location to hear the clear, undistorted S1 sound. Optimal auscultation at the apex. Valve location. The mitral valve's position beneath the apex allows for clear sound transmission. Chest wall proximity. The apex proximity to the chest wall amplifies the mitral valve's sounds. Optimal listening. Auscultation at the apex provides the clearest, loudest perception of the mitral valve's sounds.